Hey guys, 23rd day of November here, in New Germany, St. John's Lutheran Cemetery. I got the old beast out. This will be out in July, so it's out here by my, I'm full of dirt. My hands, that thing's a pigsty, so sorry about the mess, but it is what it is. So here we are. Some of these are old graves. Can't even see what the hell they are. I mean, geez, you could just tell. It's just you can just see that these things are. Look at it, 1839, 1914. Can't even tell who they are, but just how old this thing is. All these things are. I'm going to go to an ice fishing convention in December. That will come up later. But I've been videotaping 2 weeks. Other channel I have 1838, 1901. It's kind of cool, some of this stuff. 1852 to 1899. $1860, August. Oh my goodness, that's a 1806, 1899. Some of these, these are old, extremely old. It's a pretty big cemetery. But there's a Bohemian one farther up. Someday I'll get that one someday. But 1896. But I figured I'd come on and get this one done. I want to get out of here. It's out of New Germany. Carl, 1858 to 1894. $1843. That's relatively pretty new. Someone put some money in that bad boy. 1831, 93. Yeah, my car's pretty filthy. I got to get that thing cleaned out. It just tells this absolute mess. It's an old ass cemetery. 1818, 1896. Anna was 1839, 1909. So 1822 to 1901. Linda, Chuck. They're still alive, looks like it. So whenever they cack, parents of Melissa, Kelly, and Beth. Triple treat right there. One we're all by itself, I have no idea. Didn't really say. 1903. So, yeah, you can tell this is the older side of the cemetery right here. So, thought for a minute I couldn't get in here, but 1837. These are some old ones. Oh my goodness. 1854. Some of you can't even see. There was that one over there. I was next to the 1838, 1891. 1843 to 1911. Joseph Weber. We're buried there, the Weber family. Beautiful day for video. Not too cold, not too hot. I see they already came out with a 4 already. I saw the 13 at Costco yesterday. I'm fine that I have. It's too bad someone come in here and put up a one they could read. Isn't ready to tip over anytime. People actually come in and tip stuff over. It pisses me off. You guys saw me the Jewish one over there in 1832, 1895. (1884). April 1849, 1891. Some horses over there. (1893). Yeah, my four-wheel drive, I got a little tune-up on it too as well. It's missing. So I got the PT Cruiser ready. Like, that'll be out by now when I'm out now. $1,200 for 1 year. But the way she is, the other guy he passed away too, the guy that I dealt with for 12 years. Great guy. 1816, 1891. Guy was unbelievable. Nice man. Yeah, it's too bad if you had the money and you redo the whole cemetery and put new headstones in front of the old ones, because you have no idea this one is. Shame. All these old cemeteries. There's a lot of them over there. There's one in Boston. It's kind of cool. You can kind of tell it's old ass ones. Can't even tell. 1899. Can't even tell. So obviously they redone these. S.E. Eddy, 1875. That's too bad. Young child. 1875, 1876. Well, these are like all young children. 1873. So, wow. Must have been some, holy whoa, 1870, 1871. Whoa, my God. Look, all children here. Huh. E. Eddy, H.A. Eddy. Oh my goodness, that's a shame. I hate to see that whenever you see a child, you know, born and die the same day. June 1873 to August 21st died, so I was a child. That's a shame. I believe in reincarnation. Give the child another shot at the apple. Who knows? Yeah, look at these, how old these ones are. These are extremely old. Can't even tell. F. Luter. H. Luter. That's kind of a family plot, looks like. He's 1895, 1899. Let's see. Can't wait till that one. But old. But yeah. Ted the Talking Head went down to down south one time, went to some old blues ones down there. It's kind of interesting. Went down there and saw a few things down there. So he went down there, checked stuff out. So, anyways, we'll go over there. We'll get a little look what's going on over there. So, anyways, guys, round one here at the Lutheran cemetery here, New Germany. So, yeah, it's just some old ones here. Anyways, guys, from the outskirts, ciao.